this is going to happen on my charge. If it's a dangerous charge or a serious charge, you will tell me and I will be able to read. You see the tail? You see how the tail is?
Yes.
The tail is halfway erected. When it's completely curled, pinpointing his ears in your direction, and then charging at full speed, that's a serious charge.
And what do we do? Right. If he charges,
First, he needs to give you a charge. Tell you to back off.
Yeah, he's gone.